TriPacSystems introduces the new world of electrical energy recycling, computerized phase angle synchronization technology. We, as an environmentally conscious nation, have been trying for years to conserve energy and provide a sustainable, clean environment with a reduced carbon footprint while maintaining a robust industrial climate. But thus far, all of our conservation efforts, solar, wind power, CFL light bulbs, and many other measures have fallen short. Only about 30% of all energy consumption is residential, the lights and appliances in people's homes. The remaining 70% is consumed by commercial and industrial applications, public buildings, and manufacturing operations. This despite the fact that many facilities in the commercial and industrial sector have implemented conservation measures for their lighting and heating needs. Some measures are incentive-driven, and others implemented by stewards of the environment. Why is the electric energy consumption to these sectors so inefficient? They primarily rely on electric induction motors to power their equipment, from large air conditioners and heating to heavy machinery. The electric induction motor, by its very design, consumes only about 80% of the power that is required to operate it. The unused portion of the current, about 20%, tries to return back to the generator. Not only is this power not used, the generator reacts to this unused power by sending an equal amount of power back down the line to counteract the wasted power. This amounts to a total of 40% in losses. It exacerbates line congestion, the phenomenon that wastes nearly 40% of all the power supplied to the facility. The electric utility industry considers that these losses are inherent, and most don't believe that anything at all can be done to correct it. The cost of this built-in inherent inefficiency is factored into the utility's overall cost of generating power, and this cost is passed along to the consumer, be that consumer residential, commercial, or industrial. So even if Mrs. Smith and her washing machine aren't wasting power, they're still paying for the power that is being wasted by the factory across town. TriPacSystems PhaseAngleSynchronization technology reduces line congestion from 40% to less than 1% through a computerized process that absorbs this line congestion and recycles it into usable power. This technology conserves more energy than a $3 million wind turbine will generate over its expected 20-year service life, at a cost that is just a small fraction of that wind turbine's purchase price. The unit is virtually maintenance-free because there are no moving parts, and the savings are locked in for the same comparative 20-year period. We have a working prototype, as you can see here. And as you can see, yes, this technology is actually proven to work. Watch the energy consumption readings fall dramatically when the unit is placed in parallel with the load. As you can also clearly see, the unit's computer automatically adjusts multiple times per second to compensate for variations in the load. The unit's ability to sense line congestion and counteract it in real time makes phase angle synchronization technology uniquely effective. Further, the amount of power required to operate the unit itself is about $1.55 per month on average. The utility company is the direct beneficiary, but the environment is the big winner. We are seeking to build enough of these units to place them free of charge at various types of commercial and industrial facilities. Once these units are in place and the substantial monthly savings they produce over time is documented, there will be tremendous demand for this technology. Please help us make our goal and contribute to a future of green, efficient energy. We intend to follow a fully green manufacturing process with no exotic materials required and a 100% pollution-free manufacturing facility. For additional information, call 303-886-5585.